Hey guys, this is Hira from Queens. Today we're going to be talking about jewelry care and maintenance. Even if it's the best of Kohinoor, it can only shine with top-notch maintenance. And today I'm going to be sharing you a few tips and tricks as to what you can do to expand the durability, the life of your jewelry. So to start off with, to clean any type of jewelry, regardless of it's gold or fashion jewelry or even diamonds, always use a dry cotton, 100% cotton cloth like this, a soft cotton cloth like this. Please do not try using any other type of cloth like satin or velvet or even it could be linen. You would think it's the best material for the jewels, but it does not go compatible with it. A cotton cloth like this is going to be the best to clean your jewelry. The next tip that we are going to be talking about is storage. This is where maximum of people go wrong because their jewelry are packed and sold in velvet boxes, which is not at all compatible for jewelry. Especially in a country like ours where the temperatures are very extreme. We have hot climates and we also have a really pleasant winters. So storage of a jewelry matters a lot in its maintenance, and the temperature also in which it's being stored matters a lot when it comes to fashion jewelry and silver jewelry especially, because the jewelry where polish is there, the maintenance of the temperature matters a lot in the durability of the jewelry. So what I would suggest for that is to store in plastic containers like this. It is the best possible way you can store it. Or you can even use plastic, airtight plastic covers, Ziploc bags. Whatever is plastic is gonna protect your jewelry from tarnishing. For example, let's take a velvet box. So for people who are confused as to what a velvet material is, this is a velvet material. So if you store a jewelry in such a material, this is a material which absorbs heat. And when it constantly gives your jewelry heat, you can imagine what will happen to your jewelry, its sheen, its durability. That is definitely going to be affected. So we don't want that. Or another material that I wanted to talk is wooden boxes. People think storing in wooden boxes is going to be great for their jewelry, which again is not, because the heat which develops inside is not going to be safe for your jewelry, which is why we recommend plastic containers and plastic covers for all types of jewelry, especially ours. We have had customers who follow these from our customer clientele who follow these, and they have said that their jewelry has just stayed the way they have purchased it even for more than 15 years. So that is exactly what I'm talking about. With good maintenance, you can expand the life of any jewelry. The next tip that I'm going to be sharing is more of a don't. So do not use perfumes or any type of harsh chemicals or even liquid cleaners. Don't even keep them near your jewelry, I will say, because they're going to be very, very hard on your jewelry because the pH level of the chemicals and your jewelry is not going to match. Speaking of pH level, even for people who sweat a lot, it's gonna affect the sheen of your jewelry because the pH level of sweat is again different. So do not use any of these chemicals or even if you oversweat, please make sure you immediately wipe it off with a dry, clean, 100% cotton cloth. So I would say please don't use only any chemicals, but if you sweat, for that I'm telling you an option what you can do immediately. So yet again, please do not use any chemicals on any type of jewelry, ours, silver, gold, diamonds. Do not use them. The last tip of the day is a very obvious one. Please do not rough handle any type of jewelry. We need to understand they are all very intricately handcrafted. We are delivered with a lot of dedication. So respecting the artisan's hard work and to respect your purchase, we would recommend all of you to please do not rough handle any of the jewelry. And so these are a few tips that I wanted to share with you guys, and just following all these four to five simple steps, you can expand the lifetime of your gorgeous purchases even up to 15-20 years, and it will stay the way just as it is. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy maintaining your jewelry. Thank you all.